Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So I've got a project I'm working on, but I want to show you I ran into a little bit of a situation. So what I'm working on here is making a new tool tote. Now this one was built by my great grandfather, and so it's got some sentimental value to me, but I needed something a little bit bigger. And so I've cut up some pieces for a larger tote. Now the problem I'm running into is I've got to cut an 1.25 inch hole here for the handle. Now, in my collection of bits, I don't have anything quite big enough. My largest Forstner bit is 1 inch, and then my largest paddle bit is 1 inch. So there's a couple options. One is I have this old adjustable bit. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of these. Basically, you just loosen this screw back here, and then you adjust this in and out. Problem with this is it's got this screw on the end, and man, it'll grab that piece of wood and yank it up. So what you have to do is drill a pilot hole first so this can get by it, and then this will chew it out pretty good. The problem is that there's a ton of tear out on the back side. So I dug around in my bins and I found this. I've had this thing forever and I never thought I would use it. It's a dialo saw. So it'll cut from 1 1/8 inch up to 2.5. And what you do is you loosen this nut on the back, and then these cutters move in and out when you twist this. Now, I've done a couple test cuts because it's not really very accurate in its readings, but I think I've got it close. So let's make a test cut here and see how it does. I've literally had this thing for probably 2 decades, and I've never had an opportunity to use it. So, just put it on there like this. Let me get my hand out of the way so you can see. And there's our hole. A little bit of tear out on the back side, but not too bad. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. Anyway, that's the dialo saw. Thanks for watching.